Hello friends, so in last video we have created our company. This video we will create ledger accounts for accounting. Let's start. I have opened the company. We are in Gateway of Tally. This is Gateway of Tally. In that, for creating ledgers we have to go in account information. Here there are two options: groups, ledger. Now we are creating a company where the company sells soaps. So soaps may be different type of soap, for example Lux, Joy, Rose, etc. So we have product plus its group. So let us first create inventory, then we will go for accounts. So for inventory information, Gateway of Tally master inventory information. In that, stock group, stock item and units of measurements. So we have to first create unit of measurement in numbers. So selecting unit of measurement, create symbol number, formal name number, enter, accept. We have created symbol. Now we will create group, create. So under which group we are selling soap? So I have created soap group. It is primary group. Under that we will create different types of soap. Group created. Now comes down of stock item. Stock item, create a Lux. Under head soap, number, okay, control A. Then the second Joy, its name of soap we are taking. Under head soap, in numbers, control A. So we have created our product. Now we create again inventory. We have created. Now we are create accounts. In that we can create group and ledger, but now I am creating ledger. We can also in the same manner we can create groups and ledger both. Currently I am creating ledger. Create first, for example capital account. Under it capital account, control A. Then bank account, you can say bank account. Under bank account, this all I am not touching, control A. Then capital bank, then expense purchase sale, let us sales accounts at 18%. Under head sales, inventory value affected, yes, control A. Then purchase account, under purchase, yes, inventory affected, control A. So these are created. Now we will create expense account, bank charges. Under indirect expense, no, control A. Then other one expense, for example conveyance. This alias shift tab, alias we have can use for a short name, so that we can easily get an entry. For example I use one, that I will show use of that. Indirect expense, control A. So we have created expense, we have created capital. Now we can create creditors, for example ABC, sundry creditors. Bill by bill, yes. Credit period 30 days, yes, control A. Then other we can say one other XYZ, sundry creditor 30 days, yes. Then one we create a 1 2 3 debtors, 1 2 3 sundry debtors, yes. default 30, yes, control A. So we have I think we have created all the ledgers. Now escape, escape, escape. Now we have to make entry. We have seen both this tab, account info, inventory. We have created ledgers. Now vouchers, accounting vouchers. So we know here you can check. I will also give list here. The various type of function here written, you can check over here also. For changing date, F2. For contra entry, that is cash bank entry, bank to bank entry, F4. Payment, F5. This is open, F6 receipt, F7 general, and F8 sales. Then F9 purchase. So let's first brought money. So capital accounts get money through bank. So let's pass first entry, or let us say cash. So receipt, F8, F6 receipt voucher we have to select, and entry date we have to select whatever date we can select. Here I by default I am not changing any date. Account number from which receipt is received, then capital account, cash receipt is there, then capital account 10,000. Here narration you can write. Some problem is there, I think. Period, yes, period I have not changed, I have mistaken. Let's error always teach us something. Let's change the period, because this period is from 16 to 18, so we have to give period of our current year, April 18 to March 19, because our company is for current year. So let's again receipt voucher, entry date has already come, account name cash receipt, capital account 10,000 being okay. So one entry is done, payment received. Now we will deposit in bank. So contra, F4. So account name first, cash 5,000 deposited in bank, control A. So bank, half money deposited in bank. Now for purchasing product, for example, purchase, we have shortcut F9. So supply invoice number, for example 1, 8 by default we not change. Supply we take ABC, reference number 1, a sub we have to skip. Then purchase ledger number, this purchase 18 we have created. Then name of item, then we can this Lux soap, Joy also, both are there, we can take any one, Joy. Then quantity 1, rate 10, amount 10, okay. Control A. Then next we can purchase from 2 number, purchase from XYZ, control A, purchase 18%, name Lux for example, quantity 1, rate 10, 10, A. So this is done. Now let's purchase कर दिया, let's now sell the product. So F8, serial number 1, party name, daters 1 2 3 daters, this delivery note, all this we skip, control A. Sales ledger, we sell it Joy for example, 1 quantity, rate 15, control A. This is done. Now let's also incur expense also. So JV F7, charges debit 100 to bank, control A. Then again conveyance expense debit 1000 to cash, for example 1000, control A. So we have also incurred expense. I think all ledgers have been affected. Okay, so I am coming back. We can check ledger from here also. Account info, ledger, display. This I want to check this ledger XYZ. Okay, so I think display trial balance. So our trial balance is ready. I give period April 18 to March 19. This capital account, shift enter, we can give shift enter, shift enter, or we can do it one time also, that we will check later on. So we have capital, creditors, debtors, bank account. Okay, let's make a payment. Payment is left out. So for any voucher entry, at any entry you can get voucher. For example, over here I want to make new entry, then by pressing Alt 2 the entry will be repeated, Alt 2. So this is entry is repeated already, the original entry will remain, this is a new entry. Now I want to make payments, I have to press F5. Then to whom I will make payment, one of the creditor, that is XYZ, for example. Sorry, bank account I have to select, then XYZ. I make payment of 500 rupees against reference. This bill has already been come. It was 10 only. No problem, don't worry, it will be used in other matter. Control A. No reference, or I can say on account, additional amount. So this is done, we have made payment. Control A, payment done. Let's check trial balance. So here we have debit balance of creditor, here credit balance of creditor. Okay, that's it. And debtor we are keeping as it is, we are not recovering from the same. So I think data is ready. So for further working we will check in next video. Thank you friends. If you found this video useful, then please like the video, subscribe the channel and press bell icon so that you will receive notification of all the videos. Thank you friends.